If you're experiencing an account sync issue in League of Legends, follow these simple steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they're back online. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the League of Legends client completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary sync issues. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to the League of Legends installation folder on your computer. Find and delete the config and logs folders. This will clear any corrupted files that might be causing the sync issue. Step 4. Repair game files. Open the League of Legends client and go to the settings menu. Look for the option to repair the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Relog into your account. After completing the previous steps, log out of your account and then log back in. This can help re-establish your account connection and resolve any lingering sync issues. Following these steps should help you fix the account sync issue in League of Legends. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.